he laughed. That classic scene with Goldie Roger. So let's draw it. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So his head tilted back. It's all about his big mouth, basically, because it's one piece, right? So the mustache we will draw first, right? So we'll go, so it comes underneath his nose, right? So we'll curve it from here up, right? And comes around the nose, down, and we're in sort of 3/4 pose, right? So this side of the mustache is probably slightly longer, and then it just comes over his teeth, down the other side. Okay, so they're about the same, I'd say, maybe. Yeah, this side is slightly smaller because his head is kind of turned away from us. So we'll do the eye section just above this, right? So you're going to go with his headband, right? So we'll just get us in the right spot. So his headband comes along. So he's got this like polka dot headband just coming across here. And then we have the nose. Sort of curves around this way. It's just like a bulbous sort of nose like that, right? We got like some wrinkles and things. And then the tip of his nose and the nostrils, right? So we got a nostril here, and then a nostril sort of here. Like a little line just on like the tip of his nose there. And then the skin on the side of his nose for the nostril there. So eyes either side, right? So one eye crying, laughing over here. So it just curves like so. And you have to thicken it up to sort of make it look like eyelashes, right? So you just make it thicker. Like that. And he's literally crying. So there's like a drop drawn here. And then his eyebrow curving around here goes up underneath his headband like that. And you can thicken it up a little bit. So if you wanted to do it manga style, you just color it black. Or if you were doing anime, I think it's black in the anime as well, but you could do it like dark gray. And then we have lots more wrinkles on his nose and eyelid lines just curving around here. Like so. You know, and he's an older guy, so there's like all wrinkle lines just on the corners of his eyes. Like there as well. And I think he's got like his hairline somewhere. Say here. Like black hair coming out from underneath. And there's some more sort of eyebrow lines and stuff. So his other eye, curving this way, smaller, it's hidden behind his nose. And you just have to thicken it up. Some of his eyebrow. There. And then again some like wrinkles and eyelid lines and stuff all here. Right, so big mouth laughing, right? So open it up all the way down around. It's kind of like this U shape. Boop. Up to there. We got like some like skin lines just here. And then his teeth, right? So we can just see like the back of the teeth here coming around. And then the front of the teeth going around that way. The inside of it, just there. They draw in the gum line, so we just go bumping just here in the corner. And then we do have some lines for teeth like that, and some on the other side. big one-piece teeth, like so. Bottom teeth, curving around here. Little dip for a tooth there. It's like a slight little bump for a tooth line, just one. And then we can see some of his gums down here, drawn in like this. So his tongue, so just a one-piece, big, simple tongue like that. Right, so chin, real big, square chin here. It just comes up to his jaw here. And then again, his hair sort of continues down that way. And then his face on this side goes up like so. And he's got some skin lines and wrinkle lines for his mouth, where he's laughing, and like his bottom lip, sort of here. And then a beard, so it's just done like this. You could do more or less of these. It's just sort of stubble and drawn in like so. So his hair then sort of sticks out from behind the mustache here, just these hair spikes. It goes in behind his collar on this side, so it stops sort of there. And on this side we can see same sort of thing, just these spikes that kind of look like shark fins, you know, just going the whole way around. Goes behind his neck here, like so. So then the rest of his hat, and then we'll do his neck and shoulders. So we've got this yellow polka dot bandana on the head. This has bow lines and things, and it's just red dots on a yellow background. So that's done with color, it's not drawn in. And then the big round pirate hat curves up here. The other side goes this way. Right, and this side goes that way. And on this side we go up, it'll go off my page. Goes off that way. And on this side we've got like a gold band, like two curved lines like this. Right, with a circle, with two circles inside. So circle, and then you do two circles inside that. And that's just like gold. And then the hat goes around that way. We've got some feathers here, so like just standard sort of little black and white feathers. And then his feather boa, so like this big cloudy shaped thing that hangs down from behind his head. So it's like a cloud basically, it's just this curvy shapes. Goes behind his collar. Okay, that's the hat, and we have the skull on the hat as well. So we start with this sort of U shape, like so. And then we have a mustache, right? That's like, it's real cartoony looking. Down around, spirals on the end of them. And this comes back around the mouth, like that. And then we got teeth in here. And we have another spiral underneath. So it's like two layers to that. So it's basically a skull and crossbones with a mustache. So the bone part is like here, under the mustache. And then the head goes around like so. And just like circle eyes, like so. Right, so neck. So he's got like his Adam's apple just sort of there, neck muscle that way. He has a cravat, I think that's what it's called. It's like a piece of fabric wrapped around his neck. Just this sort of bumpy thing here, like so. And you just put fabric lines on it. And then this comes around his neck. We made a big collar here. Just goes around behind his head. Curving around here and then comes out from the other side. Down. Into here. Curves around like that. And there's gold edge. And then the gold edge sort of continues around underneath it into there, and then his shoulder pad goes off that way. And it's got like, if you know One Piece, you know like the emperors have all these tassels on their shoulders, so it's like that. And then he's got like a blue shirt or navy shirt collar here, and some more fold lines for the cravat and the shirt. And then the cravat goes around his neck. It's wrapped around his neck, so you got all these bumps. And then two more collars, the blue shirt there. And then, so this big collar comes out the other side. Like this. And it's got a gold edge somewhere there. And I think that's everything. Yep, how to draw Gold D. Roger. He laughed. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.